Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're making tacos, but we're going to make tacos out of zucchini. And they are so good. So stay tuned. Now to start off, you're going to need some sour cream. I have a vegan green chili sour cream recipe people rave about. I'll put that up in the right-hand corner in the card. You can check that out. And you're going to need about 2/3 of a cup. Now we're going to prep our veggies. We're going to slice up an onion. That's my full star chopper. I did a review on that little guy. I'll put that up in the cards as well, for you can check that out too. We're going to mince some garlic. We're going to need about a cup of corn. I'm using fresh corn. I'm trying to get more of it in the bowl than I do on the floor, like that. Okay, now we're going to need some zucchini, obviously. I used 4 of them, and we're just going to do a rough chop like that. Try to get them all about the same size. Perfect. Oops. Okay, there we go. And I used 2 cans of fire roasted tomatoes. Pop those in my blender. Puree, nice and smooth. That's our sauce. And now we can start cooking. So we're going to add our onions to a Dutch oven or whatever size pot you have that'll fit all this stuff. A little bit of veg broth. We're going to get that golden brown. Add our garlic. Add our corn. Add some green chili. Now I'm using Hatch green chili because I love the stuff. If you don't like spicy, you can use those little 4-ounce cans. We'll add our zucchini. We'll add our tomato puree like that. And don't worry, I'll have all the ingredients, all the amounts in the recipe link below. Check that out. Now we're going to add our sour cream last. That's our crema. And we're going to stir that all up. In Mexico, a zucchini is called a Calabacita. So this is Calabacitas con crema with cream. So we're using sour cream. A little salt, a little pepper, a little cilantro. So good. It's different than like my cauliflower tacos, but we're getting a whole lot more veggies, and it came out wonderful. I borrowed this idea from Chef Rick Bayless on his YouTube channel, and Chef John from Food Wishes. I given him a shout out, and I went and spent like all day looking at his videos. He's got some incredible stuff. He's not vegan, so I had to convert it. This is my interpretation of his recipe. Hope you like it. I loved it. My wife loved it. So let me know what you think. Leave those comments down below. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to come back next week. We'll do this all over again because I want to show you how simple and tasty it is to cook plant-based. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do that. Hit that little red subscribe button down there. Ring that bell so you get notified. And again, I will see you next week. This is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.